Welcome to 6th Avenue in Manhattan. You can see Central Park over there. You can see this cool design. This is One Hotel Central Park. And right now I'm walking down 6th Avenue. I will say this about 6th Avenue. There's a lot of interesting art around in front of the corporate office buildings and things of that nature. Quality Italian steakhouse. Probably very expensive, I'm sure. Now, if you would like to come to this area of Manhattan, you can see right here, you can take the M train to 57th Street Station. That'll bring you right here. A lot of restaurants, a lot of hotels, a lot of corporate office buildings. It's a wonderful day. It's a Friday in late May. It's after 11 o'clock in the morning, so you know, most people are probably at work or school. Some people maybe on vacation. This is the week of Memorial Day after all. As you walk down 6th Avenue, obviously I showed you that Central Park is in the opposite direction of where I'm walking, but as you walk down 6th Avenue, you start approaching the area where Rockefeller Center is. I have a video on my channel where I walked around Rockefeller Center the other day. If you want to check that out. A lot of people with bikes over here. A lot of construction always going on, scaffolding all over the place. Oh, look, a bike rental place. Maybe that's where those people got those bikes from. Approaching, oh, look at this cool art. Approaching 56th Street and 6th Avenue right here. See a Chipotle across the street, a Chase Bank over there. I kind of want to switch to the other side of the street because there's shade over there. The sun is kind of bearing down. Luckily, it's not too hot. The high today is only in the 70s. Not too bad for a spring day in Manhattan. Not a lot of trees around, so that's why it's tough to find shade unless you stand in front of a skyscraper like what I'm doing. See, now we're starting to get into the area of where you see the corporate office buildings. Now that one across the street, I believe that is 1345 6th Avenue. They have a nice I don't know what you want to call it, like the front of the building. Got some trees over there. People are not paying attention, they're going to get hit.
All the other days and nights to go to Times
Square. So you can see 11:23 a.m., 70 degrees. So yeah, this has some art in front of the building. You see that gigantic sphere. The taxi is blocking it. Ah, there, you can see it now. Got the Hilton Hotel. Hilton Hotel at the corner of 54th and 6th. Ah, you see you got the Warwick right here. That is named after the famous actor Warwick Davis from the movie Leprechaun in the Hood. I'm just kidding. I'm sure there are tour guides around here who just make stuff up as they go along. But I believe that is the Warwick Hotel, I believe. Okay, look at the architecture over there. It's pretty nice. Huge building. There you can see the top. This is 1330 Avenue of the Americas. That's another name for 6th Avenue. Avenue of the Americas. Approaching 53rd Street now. Thankfully we found some shade. You can see, I don't know if you can see, we're approaching Radio City Music Hall a couple blocks from here. Very popular destination for tourists and city dwellers alike. This is 53rd and 6th. I might cross the street because there is some art over there. This is a corporate office building to my left. Cool art in front of this building. This is 1301 Avenue of the Americas. Some more cool art over here. Looks like headless Venus de Milo's. That's what that looks like. This is 52nd Street and 6th Avenue.
I mean, one of my friends who works at Lobster, she's like, I wish they were.
This is the UBS building, 1285 Avenue of the Americas. Again, all these buildings are gigantic skyscrapers. All of them. All of them. Actually, now that I think about it, we're not that far from the Fox News headquarters building, where you will see people like Greg Gutfeld and other, I think I've seen Janine Pirro. Yeah, I think I've seen quite a few Fox News individuals in this area. There's a Brooks Brothers store, obviously. You can see Radio City Music Hall. I'm right across the street from it. 51st Street and 6th Avenue. Now we are right across the street from Radio City Music Hall, and that's a good place to end the video. This is 50th Street and 6th Avenue.